A great way to get started using Google Docs is to take a look at the Google Docs template gallery. This is a place where you can find sample documents for all sorts of different types of Google Docs that you can use immediately while you're still working on learning how to use the tool. Let's take a look. Now, if you can see, I'm on my Google Docs homepage. And I'm going to click on right next to Search Templates. I'm going to click on Browse Template Gallery so I can look at all the templates. Now, we're now looking at the template gallery. I have a variety of different templates here. This is just all the templates that Google has, and at the bottom it shows that it's giving me 1 through 20 of thousands. But I want to be able to narrow them down a bit. Well, I do have some search criteria. I can search, if I know the name, I can search by keywords up here in the search field. I can also sort by hottest, the most popular one, most users, how many people are using each one, so maybe that's the one I want to look for. The highest rating, so the 5 stars get listed in front of the 4 stars. I can also sort by just documents, just spreadsheets, just presentations, or just forms. And for us, we have a bunch of categories, but at the bottom we have a category called Students and Teachers. Let's select that. And it's going to sort by just for students and teachers. I'm going to narrow it down a bit. I'm going to also want it by documents. And it's going to resort for students and teachers by documents. And I'm going to select, there we go, most users. So I'm sorting by 3 things. And I have one here called Simple Lesson Plan that actually was submitted by Google. If I want to see what the template looks like before I download it, I'll click on Preview. It gives me a view of the template. It's just a simple document formatted for me to use for lesson planning. If I like the template, I click on the button Use this template. What that does is it puts the template into your Google Docs home. Now you notice that you can edit, and the name of this document is Copy of Simple Lesson Plan. One of the things I do right away is I can go to File and rename it. I'm going to just have it called Simple Lesson Plan. And let's take a look at my Google Docs home. Let's see here. Okay, I'm going to go back to there and then back to Google Docs. And if I go to All Items, there it is right at the top, Simple Lesson Plan. If I decide that as I'm looking through it, I don't need this one, this is not fulfilling my needs, I can click the checkbox in front, select Delete, and it's gone. And I can go on and look at my next template. It's a great way to see what Google Docs is capable of. It also is a great way to deconstruct and learn how to use Google Docs by looking at how other people are using it so that you eventually can create your own. And the really nice thing about Google Template Gallery is that you can save your own templates for your colleagues to use so that the rest of the world can benefit from your expertise also.